I thought I'd make a video to help explain what this thing does. This has several settings. This controls how much water or how big of a cup of coffee you want. This controls the size of how fine you want the coffee bean. I mean you know, if you want a real thick, you know, hard shot of espresso. I just turned it on. This is his first shot for the day. Now, if I wanted to, I could have made that shot bigger by adjusting this here, making more water come out, but I didn't want to. Now, I'm going to come back. I'm going to let this set for a little while. I'm going to come back and try to make another shot here in a little while. All right, it's been setting a little while. To me, it's just not, doesn't have the power to push the water through like it used to. Haven't adjusted the settings at all. Nothing. Now, I can probably make my my grind looser. And make a not so compact puck. Yeah, still not strong enough. Anyway, that's what I go through. I can make a few shots first thing when I turn it on. After it's been setting for a while and heated up, I cannot make any shots.